Hey y'all, what's up? I'm back with another cooking video. I decided to stop doing music overs and to start actually talking in my videos so that I can get more personable with y'all. So that's what we're doing today, all right? We just hit it with some olive oil and now I'm about to season it real good and massage it in. Yep, I pulled it off. All right, y'all, so we just gonna massage it in. I'm not too personable, y'all, because I got gloves on, but we gonna work it in real good. I'm gonna add some W sauce, because that's just what I do. All right, y'all, it's gonna go in the oven on 350. Head over to my IG if y'all want to see the finished dinner. Rolling with Melia. All right, y'all, right now I'm about to cut seasoning for some quick and easy dirty rice. Y'all just hang tight and I'm gonna show y'all a thing or two. All right, y'all, this is the only onion I had, so this is what it's gonna be. That's the only dirty rice mix I use. Checking on that rice. Ooh. All right, y'all, the steam is just not our friend right now, but look at it. Yummy. Y'all already know what to do. Follow that Instagram to see the finished plate. Rolling with Melia. Listen, if your corn ain't buttery and sweet, baby, I don't even much want it. You heard me? Make sure y'all following that Instagram, because I don't know how much longer I'm going to be on TikTok, and I'm on Instagram 99% of the time. Oh, and also I got a cooking show on Facebook, too. Link, y'all already know where that link in that.